The topic of today's video is how to buy Bitcoin on the Webull app. Unfortunately, you can't do it from the app, but you can go to Webull Pay. And you can get that on Google Play or even on the App Store. As well as you could come onto your web browser and you can use Webull Pay from here. So it's not supported in my country, so that's why I have to use it from here. So what you want to do is go to symbol name here. I would recommend logging in first. And here we can type Bitcoin or BTC and it should pop up here. And once we click on that, we'll be brought to this screen here. And on the right hand side, you can see we have buy and sell options, and we can choose our order type and then the amount of Bitcoin we want to buy in USD, and then just click on buy BTC. So if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in via mobile or via email. And once you do that, it will prompt you for further information. So just follow the prompts. As I mentioned, unfortunately, it is not supported in my country, but the prompts from here, as I've seen, are very simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I managed to put you on the right track. And do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.